Hello class, this video is going to concern itself with a very particular issue. So again, I've shown you how to do animation in Unity and how to use the animation events in Unity in the previous video. But what if I have like this asset right here where it's been rigged and I did the animations in 3ds Max or Blender and what happens? Well, I look at the animation tab and I look right here, you can see that all of my animations, here's opening, they're all considered read open. They're all read only. So it means I can't go in and I can't make modifications to them. There's a really easy way to handle this. It's actually just go in and duplicate. So here's chest close, chest open, chest opening. And now I can go back. Again, this is chest close. And for my purposes, I'm going to rename these with an underscore D on the end of them, just so I know that these have been duplicated. And this will help me separate these from this version from that version. So here's opening, rename. So if I go back to here, motion chest closed, D closed, chest open. Here is chest opening in this case, and here is going to be chest opening. My case, I'm actually going to go into, now that I've done this, I'm actually going to go into the animator, and I'm going to go to the chest opening D. And one of the things is I'm going to clean this up. I can remove the properties because I don't need these properties. I know that, here is my, so basically I know I've got, frame, here, 18 through 10. I mean, I can grab all of these frames. I can just get rid of them. Because I can just interpolate between those two, the opening, those two frames that I really wanted anyways. I can now go to my project. I can duplicate the opening. And this is going to end up being rename. We'll do, chest closing underscore D. I can go to the event and I can set that now. I'll set this back to normal 0.5. So what I can then go in under animation. Here is closing D, and I can now, you see, this is chest lid. So I'll click on that, and I can go in and change the frames. Apparently, you can see this is now closing. So we go back and we can look where we are at the moment. We can just press play. You can see this is now operating as we've been doing before. So now I'm going to go back to my project. In this case, I'm going to jump to the Lab 14 folder, and I'm going to just drag the animation events example here. Here is close. Make sure I set up these properly. And now I can go in again, as we did before, go back to the animation. Here is closed. You see, not the close. I want closing. Here we go. And I can go and say, go to frame 1, add the event, animation example, methods, and I'm going to play, this is closing, so I'll play close sound. And I can jump to my chest opening. I'm just jump to frame, and I'm just happy to go to 1 just to show you an example. Again, I'll set an animation event there, animation event, methods, and I'll play the open sound. And again, we've got that set up here. Again, the script has to be next to, the script that you call has to be next to it. I mean, I could have combined these two scripts together, but we'll use it separate as, this is a good example as well. And that's whether these are 1 or 2 scripts, that's a question, a Unity question, engineering question. That's not the focus. I'm just showing you that, hey, you can select this script. And then I could have selected something on this script as well. So I go back. You can see now.
Open. Close. Open.
It's playing.
Close.
And again, I've got the open and close, me saying that because I didn't want to, I wanted to show you again, as I showed you in the previous example, that, hey, these are just here to just be placeholders, just so that to show to demonstrate the concept. If you really wanted, you would have gone in and gotten a creaking sound that would have, for the chest to open and close. So. Yeah, again, the big thing is, again, this is the wrong one. Again, these animations are read-only because they were imported. Duplicate them. They become now external clips. They become read-write. You can do as you like with them, as you can see. All right, so here's how to do the best of both worlds. Do the work that you've got animators who love Blender or 3ds Max or whatever, and they're going to do their work in there and not Unity. Perfectly fine. You can take their work, do what you need to do with it, and you can alter that. You saw that I took the opening animation and I turned it into the closing animation, which I gave a different animation event to. So that by doing that, you have now full flexibility over what you can do in Unity. All right. Really cool feature of this system, really cool system. I hope you guys take a moment to learn it and use it, and you will over time. So, all right. Good luck, everyone.